Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The original onboard cameras in Formula One. Owls have long legs, they are just hidden. The color of the Sylvia Hotel in Canada changes with the season. There is an estimated $60 billion in sunken treasure sitting at the bottom of the world's oceans. Grass globe illusion in Paris looks like a globe, but it is a flat park. This child from Africa is the blackest child in the world. The full name of AM or PM is antemeridiem and postmeridiem. Scientists have found a 66 million year old egg in Antarctica. The Amazon's robot workers skyrocketed in less than 5 years. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Footprints left on the moon won't disappear as there is no wind. The Milky Way galaxy is 1,05,700 light years wide. The distance between the Sun and an Earth is defined as an astronomical unit. This is the first black hole photo ever captured. You can sneeze faster than a cheetah can run, clocking in at 100 mph. Astronauts can grow approximately 2 inches in height when in space. Exoplanets are planets that orbit around other stars. We know more about Mars and our moon than we do about our oceans. The world's smallest reptile was first reported in 2021. The Earth weighs about 81 times more than the Moon. Our Moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.6 inch per year. Red dwarf stars that are low in mass can burn continually for up to 10 trillion years. Luxembourg becomes first and the only country in the world to make public transport free. The man with the world's deepest voice can make sounds human can't hear. Dubai creates fake rain using drones at temperature soars over 50 degrees. Thomas Edison invented the electric pen in 1876. Male koalas are one of the laziest animals on the planet and spend up to 22 hours a day sleeping. Oil is cheaper than water in Venezuela and Saudi Arabia. It takes around 20 seconds for a red blood cell to travel around the body. Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. It also prevents colds and the flu. Belgian blues have a naturally occurring mutation called double muscling. Water and bleach in a Coke bottle reflects and refracts light, creating a 55-watt light bulb. Dogs can understand if a person is happy or sad by their voice. Caffeine makes food taste less sweet. Glass balls can bounce higher than rubber ones. Tongue is the strongest muscle of human body. Google's first server was housed in a cabinet made of Lego bricks. Fish that live more than 800 meters below the ocean surface don't have eyes. The Sun is 3,30,330 times larger than the Earth. Did you know there are more airplanes in the ocean than in the sky? The giant Australian cow is so big it can be slaughtered or sold.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before.
Finland is the world's happiest country according to World Happiness Report.
Did you think you could keep us out?
There are only 3 countries in the world that don't use the metric system.
Tides are changing.
Hindi is the 4th most spoken language in the world.
Can you hear the sound?
Under extreme high pressure, peanut butter can be turned into diamonds.
Things are about to change this evolution.
24-carat gold burger in Dubai.
Can you hear?
Foreplay, also called outer course, is a sexual activity that happens before sexual intercourse. The average vagina is 3 to 4 inches long but can expand by 200% when sexually aroused. Thanks for watching.